HQ, quick little update. AEM gauge is getting run. Yeah, so a lot of stuff's been done. Need to get a junction box for the power leads and that. Downpipe's wrapped. The loom is all wrapped and that. I'm gonna try and maybe not. Get an aluminium valve cover soon, and the aluminium cover for the coal packs. Got the catch can in. I know it's just one of the little eBay ones, but hopefully it'll do the job. If not, then I'll upgrade. They ain't that expensive anyway. Let me strip it back a little bit more. All I want is the one headlight on each side. So I'm gonna have a duct there. Might do a duct on the other side, be a little bit different. Also got boost gauge, a pod from my boy Aiden. I'm gonna change this gauge. An AEM one to go with AFR. Probably gonna get pods for there. Might have one here, but AFR, oil pressure, oil temp, and that's it. So I need 3 gauges. Yeah, started running the lines and that for it. I need to get some more of this silicone hose for that. A few other little bits. Need to get my hydro handle, seats in and that. Got a helmet lined up. What is this helmet? When you see it. At the back, I was fabricating a battery bracket, but yeah, I'm kind of just gone off that now. I'm just gonna buy one that can just sit over there. I'm gonna drill 2 holes and just mount it like that. At some point I will redo this gash. I'll get another one of these as well. I'll make another one, probably out of tube this time. I'll make it a bit snazzy and that. But other than that, I just need to get a harness. I've got harness, those hook eyes that go in the floor, but I don't want to rip up my nice carpet, man. So I don't know, I might mount them back here. Tidy though. Yeah, not much left, man. Not much left, gonna be mapping. I've got rear camber arms to put on the back and that before I start collecting for my rear end rebuild. Yeah, so a lot of progress. I need to get oil and yeah, that's it. Fill it up with water. Need to get a cap as well. I'm going to see my boy Nick drop. I'm throwing his face, but right here, he's my plug for parts. Best on the internet, pal. The best. Proper. You need for an E46, he's the man. In Kent, and the surrounding areas. So yeah, hit him up. A few more little bits. And then I'll be ready to start hitting these events and start showing up, you get me? Oil cooler as well. My boy Dave said he's got a radiator for me, so I'm gonna wait for that to arrive, and then I'll buy the sandwich plate in the meantime, and then I can get the sensors for the oil pressure and oil temp. Yeah, moving. City and Drift Collective. We're gonna be out there soon. Soon, trust me. Stepping out with this. Dude, I've painted over fenders as well. Livery next year. When after I've got a bit of seat time, get a bit of seat time. Get to know her a bit, innit me? I haven't driven her in a while. It's gonna be a lot different with that big old thing. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Keep locked. Soon.